Hey everyone, welcome back to BikeSphere. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most exciting motorcycles of 2025, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. If you're a fan of classic designs, thumping engines, and a smooth ride, this bike might just be your next dream ride. Stick around as we explore everything that makes this bike special and why it could be the perfect companion for your road adventures. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a perfect blend of style and power. Royal Enfield has always been known for creating motorcycles that perfectly balance classic style and modern engineering, and the Hunter 350 is no exception. This bike is a true testament to the brand's legacy, blending the timeless charm of old-school bikes with the latest tech advancements. The first thing you'll notice about the Hunter 300 is its muscular yet sleek design. With clean lines, a minimalist look, and a compact frame, it's built to stand out. The fit and finish are superb, with attention to detail that is signature to Royal Enfield. Whether you're riding through busy city streets or cruising along open highways, this bike is sure to turn heads. Engine power, thump of the heart. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Hunter 350 Touch engine. Powered by the same 349cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine that has been a fan favorite in the Meteor 350 and Classic 350, the Hunter 300 delivers a perfect mix of power and efficiency. This engine produces around 20.2 horsepower and a smooth torque delivery, making it ideal for both city commutes and long-distance highway rides. With its signature thump, the sound of the Royal Enfield engine is enough to put a smile on any biker's face. The torque is easily manageable, offering that solid push without feeling overwhelming for new riders, yet still providing excitement for seasoned riders. Whether you're revving up at a signal or cruising along an open road, the Hunter 350 gives you a riding experience you won't forget. Rider comfort, a smooth ride for every journey. Comfort is key, and the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 does not disappoint. The ergonomics have been fine-tuned to make sure both long rides and daily commutes feel comfortable. The seat is well padded, and the slightly upright riding posture ensures you don't feel too strained on longer journeys. The handlebar position offers a relaxed grip, reducing wrist fatigue and making it a pleasure to ride in both city traffic and open roads. The suspension setup on the Hunter 350 is designed to soak up those bumps without compromising stability. So whether you're riding over potholes in the city or gliding through winding mountain roads, the ride remains smooth and controlled. It doesn't lag behind in terms of technology. The bike comes with a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster, giving you all the important information you need in a neat and clear layout. You also get Bluetooth connectivity for navigation and calls, making sure you stay connected while on the road. The addition of LED lighting gives the bike a more modern look and improves visibility, especially at night. The brakes are upgraded with a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring you have better control in emergency situations. Why should you choose the Hunter 350 in 2025? By 2025, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. If you're someone who loves the classic charm of a Royal Enfield but desires something more compact and city-friendly, the Hunter 300 is your answer. It's an affordable, practical, and stylish bike that fits into your daily life, while still delivering the performance and thrill that Royal Enfield is famous for. Conclusion: is the Hunter 350 the right choice for you? So, is the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 the right bike for you? If you're after a bike that combines a rich heritage with modern updates, offers great comfort, and comes with a solid engine that can handle almost anything, the Hunter 350 could be your perfect match. With its unique combination of style, power, and affordability, it's no surprise that this bike is already making waves in the biking community. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Is the Hunter 350 on your wish list, or are you considering other bikes this year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeSphere for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest in the world of motorcycles.